tab that we're going to take a look at is the Data tab. When clicking on the Data tab, several options will cascade open as options to view. The first tab that we're going to walk through is the CRM export. This page contains capture-related reports that are generated for you. There are standard reports that will display here, the first being the CBE weekly export. This is a 7-day snapshot into visitors on your site. I'm going to click here and open a report so that you can see what it looks like and the information that you can gather from it. So once you click on the file name, it will download for you here. Once the file is open, you will see here that it provides information such as student name, first name, last name, email. This report is a useful tool because the primary thing that it gathers here is captures behavioral engagement scores so that you can see which visitors are the most engaged on your site. This allows your team to prioritize outreach based on high interest to your school. I wanted to briefly show you here and run through what a CES and CAI score is. A CES score is a capture engagement score which calculates each student's level of interest over a short period of time. This measures who is most engaged right now. This score is calculated on a scale of 0 to 100 and can fluctuate over time. The CAI score, the Capture Infinity Index, measures a student's total engagement over the entire time they have been identified through Engage. This score is calculated on a scale of 0 to 100. These numbers can be used as indicators for how engaged the visitor is, how interested in the school they are, and where they are in the enrollment cycle. The higher the number, the more engaged they are. There is no magic number to tell you when to start working a student, but we often say anything 50 or higher is a good place to start, assuming they are actively engaged and interested in attending. Anything 20 or lower is not engaged, and then anything between that is passively engaged. We highly recommend that you incorporate behavioral engagement scores into your CRM so that you can prioritize and proactively outreach to those highly engaged students.